wanna see that birthday cake. Little bag on the birthday shake. I'm tryna get you to the birthday bed. You can even get the birthday head. That's what you call birthday sex. You don't need no love from your birthday ex. She came with the.
What is going on, my babies? Welcome to a install. Y'all already know. Y'all see me in the restroom sitting like this and all dolled up with my hair done. It's an install. You already know how we rock and roll over here, okay? I would like to thank West Kids for sponsoring today's video, you guys. They had something with this gorgeous curly wave hair for you, girl, okay? You see how it's already, you know, installed and looking real good and flawless because I did it. Yes, I did this. And it's giving scalp already, okay? Giving scalp. Now, this hair is HD lace and it's 180 density, guys, and this is 22 inch. Do you see how it's looking on me and how full it's looking? Do you see this? All right, real full. I love this. Of course, this is a 13x4, so it is ear to ear. And honey, this wig is just amazing on me. Like, this is my go-to. Like, this is the style for me. This is my kind of hair. This is my kind of hair, right? And this fits me so well. And honey, y'all know I love my black. Y'all know I love my black, but this one, oh baby, I believe this is going to be the birthday hair. I believe this is about to be the birthday hair, okay? Cause honey, the birthday is almost here, so I believe this is going to be the birthday hair, okay, you guys? Of course, I'm going to show you how I installed this gorgeous wig and give you all the details on how I did it, how I laid my hair down, and also show y'all how I got these baby hairs to lay, because I never used to able to master my baby hairs like this. But sis, do you see how I laid them? Do you see that? It's giving like a professional did this, because I did it, okay? I did that. And this hair is just laying so well. It's just giving scalp. It's looking real natural. Do you see how the part is? Now, remind you can part this hair any kind of way because it's a 13x4, and if you want to put some up, some down, you can. If you want to rock it to the side, you want to do a middle part. Now, when you do get the wig, it already has the middle part for you. So y'all know I'm a bust down girl. So they came in the clutch for me. Already done. It had saved me time, and all I had to do was install this gorgeous wig. But of course, I'm gonna show you how I installed it. So we about to get into this install, and of course, I'm gonna have all the information in my description box as well as a coupon code, and y'all can head over to West Kids to get you a wig. Okay, because we need our wigs, honey. We need our wigs. And this one right here, yeah, girl, we need our wigs. So let's jump into the install. All right, y'all, this is how your wig come packaged. See that? Look at the lips. That is so cute. That is so cute, baby. It's something about when I see lips. That's how I know, like, girl, this wig is about to be it. All right. But yeah, West Kids logo right there. Got the lips. And then you have your wig in here, all packaged real nice. But we go wait to open this up. We go wait to open this up. So of course you're gonna get your goodies and everything in your box. And let's see what they all gave to your girl. Alright. Okay, we got a bonnet. Honey, and I've been needing a new bonnet too. I've been needing a new bonnet. And baby, and it's big. So I'll be able to put my wig in here, okay? I've been needing a new bonnet, and it's big. So yeah, you got your bonnet. Then of course you're gonna get your HD wig cap. We always need HD wig caps, okay? But y'all see that my wig cap is already laid down because you get 2 of them. So that's the other pack. Then you get some lashes. Y'all know I love my lashes. I'm not that girl that do extensions. I have tried them before, but they're not for me. The fact that I got me some strip lashes, yeah, baby, I'm all about the strip lashes. Then you got your brush, of course, to do your baby hairs, or you want to just wear it slick back and brush the edges back. And then you have your Wet Kiss headband to lay that lace down, girl, because we need our bands. We gotta make sure our wigs are laid to the T, okay? And then of course you get your dust bag with their logo on the front, and then you have all the information on the back, phone number, how to follow them, how to email them, everything, just to secure the wig once you're done wearing it, because we gotta secure our wigs. We don't want to just be taking them off and laying them everywhere. Now, I used to do that, but I'm glad I don't do that no more. I gotta secure my wigs. Okay, let's open up this goodie, girl. Let's open up this old goody 22-inch. I love how you have everything right here for you and stuff. I just like how everything was just packaged. Now this is a size small for us cap wise, just because I have a small head. I don't have a real big head. I think I like a little peanut head, you know? So I got a little small head. Now when you do order, you going to put in as far as the size. You either pick small, medium, or large. I don't know if they have extra large, but girl, I don't think a lot of people got no extra large heads now. But yeah, you pick your size of the cap wise. So of course, like I say, I'm a small. So this is how the wig is looking. HD lace. So of course it's going to give scalp. You see that? It's going to give scalp. You see how it's just sinking in already? Girl, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Then of course you have your band in the inside to adjust for you. Because it's a small, I shouldn't have to adjust so much, but I'm just gonna adjust just a little bit. Then you have your combs. So you have your comb at the bottom for the back part, and then you have your two on the side, which you're not really going to use. I know I'm not, because how I have melted my lace down, but just in case, you know, you have your two combs right there. Now remind y'all, this is 180 density, 322-inch curly wave. So of course you can rock it like this, dry, or you can wet it. Of course y'all gonna see me put it on like this, and then I'm gonna show you how it look on me bushy, and then of course I'm gonna show y'all when it's wet. So yeah, this won't be a hard install, just because HD lace, they melt so well. They melt so well as soon as you put them on, so you don't really have to worry about doing a whole lot. That's why I really love HD lace. So yeah, let's get into this install so y'all can see how I rock and put this wig on. Now you see how it's already melted, and I haven't even cut or put any spray or glue on this wig. You see how it's already melted? Yeah, this lace is giving scalp already. Giving scalp, you hear me? Okay, y'all, let's lay this wig down, honey, because this hair is giving already. Okay, this hair is already freaking giving on me. It's something about bushy curly hair that looks just good. Like, it looks good on me. I can deal with the straighten, you know, curl, but bushy hair, it's something about bushy hair that's look. Whoo! Yeah. Okay, let me stop talking and let me get into this. Let me finish installing this wig, because girl, I'm already feeling this hair. I'm already feeling it. the part come in. They are laid. Bushy it look without even being wet yet, girl. And you see how I laid the baby hairs? Do you see how I laid the baby? Do you see it? And what lace, honey? This is HD. This is an HD lace. Okay, so this is how it look bushy. We fit to go ahead and do just a little bit of wetness to it so you can see how it look being wet, and run my fingers through it and everything, just so you can get a feel on how it will look when I put a bit of water on it. But me personally, I would just rock this hair like this. Like, the bushy look is given for you, girl. The bushy look is given for me, and I'm liking this look on me way better than anything. I'm liking this bushy look, okay? But like I said, I just wanted to show y'all how it would look also being wet. Of course, we got our spray bottle, and we're just gonna spray it. This is how it's looking being wet on this side. So, well, let's finish the rest. Okay, this is how it looks wet. And like I said, you can actually, if you want it all the way through the inside, you know, you see how I was pulling it up, you can do all that, or put it in your sink, run the your brush through it, and just have it wet and let it sit for a minute so you can get dry. But this is how wet I want it. Like, this is how I want the look going, because like I said, I love the bushy look. So just imagine when it dries how it's gonna look afterwards, just how it was at first. So I am liking this hair. I'm loving how it's feeling. It's real soft, you guys. Like, this has amazing. So yeah, this is how I install my wig, and this is beautiful. This is real beautiful. Of course, I'm gonna have all the information in my description box, just so as a coupon code. And y'all need to head over to West Kiss right now. Head over there to get you a wig. Matter of fact, get this one, because this is giving the look. This is giving the look for the holidays. This is giving the look for winter. giving that. Like, if you're going on vacation, this is giving the vacation hair, okay? Like, get this one. This is real cute, and I love how, like I say, everything was just so easy to install. The wig is amazing. Remind y'all, this is 22-inch curly wave and 180 density. And honey, it's full. This is real full to be 180 density. This is real full, and I love that, okay? So y'all have to make sure y'all head over to West Kids right now. Thank you again, West Kids, for sponsoring today's video, and I will catch y'all later. I love y'all. Bye.
I wanna see that birthday cake. Little bag on the birthday shake. I'm trying to get you to the birthday bed. You can even get the birthday head. That's what you call birthday sex. You don't need no love from your birthday.